Hi, this is Dilip. A few things I want to say. I've been doing Reiki healing with the Ho'oponopono period for last few months, and I tell you that my universe has changed. But you are different. You are amazing. What I like, three things like grounding, like going in a jungle, sitting under the tree, and get taking out all the negative energy, dumping into the ground, and taking blessing golden and white light was amazing. And this cutting code, I never heard that, and that was amazing experience. And the most important, I never looked at in my eyes all this year. I looked at my wife's eyes, but I never looked at in my eyes. That was really amazing that I should do more often with me, and communicate with me, and then hope I can release all my negative energy continuously. Good lessons. Maybe we'll connect with you more.
Wow. Always blessings. And you
Thank
are
you.
amazing, amazing. You are amazing energy. The way you were dancing.